The pride of the United States Navy, the USS Gerald R. Ford, is currently at the center of a disturbing investigation. While the carrier was meant to project absolute power in the Red Sea, reports suggest the greatest threat may have come from within. On March 12, 2026, a massive fire erupted in the ship's laundry facilities. This was no minor mishap. It took the crew over 30 hours of grueling combat to extinguish the blaze. The damage was catastrophic, destroying ventilation systems and leaving 600 sailors without a place to sleep. They have spent the following weeks sleeping on cold floors and dining tables. But the fire is only part of the story. For months, the Ford has been plagued by a sewage crisis. Internal emails reveal that maintenance teams found pipes intentionally clogged with t-shirts, socks, and 4-foot lengths of rope. What looks like mechanical failure is increasingly being viewed as a low-level rebellion by a crew pushed past their limits. The Gerald R. Ford has been at sea for nearly 11 months, shattering post-Vietnam records for the longest deployment. Morale is reportedly at an all-time low, with exhaustion turning into defiance. As the carrier sits in Suda Bay for repairs, investigators are now asking the unthinkable. Did the crew sabotage their own vessel to force a trip home? The Navy officially calls it an ongoing investigation, but for the sailors aboard the CVN-78, the cracks in the flagship are becoming impossible to ignore. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and also please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the U.S. military and their allies around the world.